BBM. Baby a Prumbia to Tumu BBP. Adibia was sharing my chair rather the bedroom. Erade Emma Empeja Emrauso. Na erade Emma Ukru Anyema Emuso. Yet you see Ugamanimu Jenimo. A casa bonin count, no how me on to my time. When I'm quite back so bounce a baymua. When I'm quite would want so be Johnny everywhere nim. Erade beto pro what time for any mwate. It's so Yamieja, Yamioba.
But multiplication at 2 abraboso. Nia wube sombia. Ebedori. Mama bencha sister Dina, you win in your release on. Last week I say yebebo, and Friday me kind tea, wakai wabo. Me pacho can sem the dead good yankropon assume. Because on noni chese, onyamina, yenyana ni ameno. Onwa nyansapo akwenyame a ofiti echirichiri eye nia e wodache no nie hinta no waye check decision bi a wo be take po na onim say ade we die wo say de me kobone no wadane no erade saye yi ai ena ye Monday so with him say o'clock na do so no eye Sompa delight o'clock. And then I will tell this when you say Abena Ruthy, I eradiado Majimedra. And it's only me also way. This round Froby. No be Froby. No be soon Froby. I now one can share my home who say Abena Ruthy Ajimedra. It was some FM so. Now Jimediano, yes some delight. Yabasi be delight too, you be delight too. And I am Monday into my positive energy nimbra. Na fa yeni awuye the whole week. I mean week where packed power for us. It was some party lights so. And komo bebre, addition bebre, any jensen bebre, enti yedini na bro. Ya bono bede, ya de mau na ye shirama. Enti mema wakwaba. Producer 1 at Nasty. Oh, me who miss me old lady ama meniaji. I said no, ye committee. Black. Makeup. Eish. Etrilu so wahu. Ebusia mpacho ko. Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Na yeni winning komo, yeni wunshi mom. Ene ye won komo bi ebedi da me say. Abrantie bi refugee mu inti no. Yedene show na sia kopem. Also amfani guitar but ordinary no mebo guitar na mamwati. Ai because obi a bo guitar che de wo so utumi bobi wo de wa no bobi mi yehwe inti na obe ye inti abusia ye ne be kasa. A exciting moment for us on Sompa Delight. So nim say wo best social entertainment program in the city. Ai. Enti ye shasia ne sampacho afrobi. Bomodia friend. Now this week, Friday, something exciting is coming. Tiobi. Hey. Anti Friday, Friday, mebom, and then Monday, mebom, yentam kuchu. Odi, mo akwaba. If I odi mienu na mi wa ha, ene mi odi mienu.
Ene dia iso ubo edini fu.
Ajisa. Nti me frɛ baako ne din na me wa frɛ odi a na ye frɛ wa ha nti onu ndem din be ma no ye du ni so adma bo ne din na boko de
adom didie ene patapa se ewie ubisa boko de a na tete mada bodum na moja di efusa na emu
sa
na je Kristo aye adom
oh waye bebre
mama ye ho aye de din sanya
me asem
edwene ho a
yenti ase
so a
ye nwene ho ampa yo wenya a chiete fo ide na mama chia anti adwa ene die enye easy o me pacha unko Facebook abomodin na ko wudu wa like share comment and tuma obi nya bi na enye nhira ma no anti adwa ma wakwa ba nene da he airport ana
wa heya
aish Bibi aye boko. Ye there ade ase. Ohu aye fe. Ohu aye fe papa bedase. So
orange and black. I blend the camera.
Thanking you. All right, it's my me introduce your guest. Me say na ye ne show na se na otenemu ama no awabre. Owi ode na no bebo guitar so amfana no ambo guitar we dem ha onko. Nti mo mo de ntokunu. All right, enti ebusuafo mi wo odikro ba ko pe e wo dem ha. Hey! Papa we enyuma etwegu bebre nyina wo pemu guitar. Papa ene boy odikro mo akwaba
mejo so menua ba
bibi aboko de
ejine bibi aye fine pa
there are there adom didie ene patapa the producer ne kire me na ye adwuma so o fa nka ho aye besisiu
ampa
we ye fama nyame da bia
onyo abeka echi
enti no wonam nyame kwa so da no am wani aye din kakra ka ho
so ati ase na blend
sa enti ene ye wakwa baba fidie mu aha ye Sompa FM ashada na make catch because me mo aye bibi so what ni ye die
say the okada
all right ebusia enti ne ye ma ne kwa Sompa delight
ene ewi odikura ba ha die na ye Sompa delight
if I saw them mo fa ne boko fa my e was Sompa delight
hey woni santi ado aka sa ya ma ne nsha ase na refi facha me all right na fe odikro efidie mu wure mu na se wantumi ammo Sompa delight na ye bobo no na ye be kire the way your front
nipe first so man enko afedo be kire na so be na fa ho ago
Oko asasa chacha oko na chacha enti ube bo Sompa delight
okay must me master cosro Sompa delight
I said delight that come from all right ebusia enti it's all delight on Sompa delight ye de bremo ye mamu nyina akwa aba se ne ya mamo no se onim se ne ye kɔ no ya tena si ye be ma vocabs corner na ya ma customer service tip na fe ye di ye nkomo nti ye ne odiko na be di nkomo na ene odiko be ma ye na bakwasem bebre ene ne awa ye wa industry nim nyina wonte ye no ene wo beti enti ebusia ye nko vocabs corner in 10 are you ready?
We are ready.
What do you want today?
My who dey koso mati dey koso.
All right. Enti ene na
bang
Okay.
Oh, see, okay. All right. Enti your word for today. Mama family for in 10. Your word for today, ambidextrous. Enti spelling here AMBIDEXTROUS. Mikobium. Ambidextrous. AMBIDEXTROUS. Yen family name metie for tell na.
Ambidextrous means the ability to use both the right and the left hand equally well.
Okay.
Wow. Only about 1% of people are naturally born with these traits. The word can also describe objects like a tool or a keyboard that are made for both left-handed and right-handed users.
And ambidextrous, when who will be able to me using the left and the right. Pa yeah, Sani a friend. Ambidextrous. And I'll die.
First name maybe, but I say left in more stronger than right.
Oh, sir. Ebusia inti ambidextrous. And I am born on our name.
Mama, yet me a cockatanichi cry. I mean, the the moment no na akwakoye very sad
Yeah.
from nkofo ahoho eba ne ade na I think the moment na me who said ya me kan kra na age me nsem no ye hwen na esese omo separate on new husband they are no longer our for and es oyini kawa and it's and it was very emotional and the tribute from the man on ade but I think say overall no event no eko so kan kama e ko obi a oboa bi e ma ye yo no etimi kon kan ye mbo wo mabaso na yen stress onyankopɔ bekoso ade Beverly ne kra esie ewo Abraham Kukum and onyame na nkasa Kukum ntino so that was yenua bema Ibrahim Mahama I mean we know him for ne philanthropic ejuma
or
any sane man ko donate sika we yi na say 200,000 Ghana cedis
I see
eno nso betimi aboa support eka ene niema hudo bia
na nkora ne po
wati ase ni ade sister Joanne me patro esi amaye eyama delight enti no moba ya na ma check wo mama me my special food that my delight it wouldn't have to be stressing
as if only na wunti o
ya fe na just say experience no on be enjoy yan
nice
and na me say be 1 month muni and na ye de ye tips e ba say ya na be ka say kuma would actor ya ye friend no Kojo Obobi kwachi or nya kidney problem MPB kura kwaye donation I think say 20,000 Ghana cedis man no man kofobi ebe support e kakra ne ade na osan call for help here na ebe kan say wa wo mo bia no kone ko support ma ye bo Matilda sorry no mo ne nkofobi ehun wo mo hospital ho on his sick bed near the day but unfortunately abrantie no wantena enti we free mu na because a Friday no ye yanya konkonsa tips ni enti mentimi amfa 1 week observation news na ma enti na kwakwa Monday dia ma memfa nto dwa se omo aye na wotweda no omo ayini na wotweda no enti abrantie no sesi ade ehun sam na kwakoye pi kidney problems na ya na untimi nkamu asem bebre enti ye hwe se bre se fatamu no nso no se abusua no wo mo etoto ne nyina ayie yo no ehun hyehye bibia nso ye de ehun update ni beba na obi a wo mo abi a wo pese wo support Kwajo kwachi obi abusua ewo ayie yo no ho ne ade se de ye ma Beverly no ono so ye industry person enti sinitwafo ne kuma wudi ne wo nkeka nyina no they will go and then support na bibia nso etimi akonkan enti that said with sad news no enti ma memfa sad news ni sia na menye true stories bi na yes na there's this guy oye memfa so a fashionista he's called Kwajuman menim said do na tinidin omo follow eyina or the conversation bi ba ye bi ebre sefata munum betumi dia ma eyi for
sages o
de be ma uncle no na o me di unkomo because I think say a conversation is say ye di hu enkomo kwa achiri say dating na models most of the time no you using crofo mo ye slim because as a fashion houses no ne o ma o run agencies na ne ade no as omo ya sideline plus ladies ne ebi obi wo ho a ono a onsu bebre ono nso a onye slim ni muodu kakra enti ono say ohuni said this the time ye be sisane memu kakra because as I say wonye slim a to say civility ni nyina ka ho ene body movement nema bebre exactly nema bebre na ema obi ye model
we okokanto kakeke
o say
okokanto kakeke because who say sizes no bia ne de ene ne fata na obetumi aye enti ne say obi kaso person ne plus size for ye ya obetumi aye omuntade wo home betumi ahye but usually modeling no aya senior smartness ni wom ni ade no you might not get it from the plus more face facts
not plus as in extra plus because ono ne point ne say ye ko ton entade a e bia program na se no ye be sell either fashion house or chrono and I say in your Ontario models nation ye beton and basically most of the times I know events ye ton into a war what atade na ehye no enye slim nko a na betimi ahye sa atade no ohun enti esa na opese o kire se obi emu odu kakra ono no sa design no anasa sa atare no ntimi hye wa bra e bia na ente sa
okay
na audience no so no you could reach more people e was sales ni mu what you say enti no omon blend no
say entire ni shemu dia matias e but wo be nante runway ni die
na nante no den ye de nante
ye be bo sa so wa o see ye mo ye be bo sa
munya bre na mun kom na mun perspective bia e bia
exactly
na ye ndi hu komo na eja ye hu hawa ebetimi akonti no
me hu say how ye be ye
minya ba kon kan na
because Auntie Melissa e be ye Nyoma be along those lines in Tibia. You be to me rasa ho.
Okay.
Because be share colors ni ade.
Yeah. Ebebo. Pacho menya ba ko anase me fancy.
Jo ye ba ko ni.
Okay, ma menya last one na me fancy. So Lexi the comic ye comedian ye nyina ye Lexi. Na wakoka ntokwa bi kakra. Ya ntokwa na akwa ye politics ntokwa. Enti ye nka ni pi
o se anya politics na no wo ye
o se anya politics na no wo ye okay
o ka na hi asem
creative arts asem na ye ka definitely comedians and so can say MPP4 o show attention na wo aban no let me use the government aban na de ma industry for na ye comedians no o say at the time o kai so no anka san chocho niema bi ko Ghana tourism for ho ne ade and the response na eye efe ene niema bi o mo ye de boa creatives no ewo industry no mu no wotimu say na ekoye ewo msa NDC fo eba ye eye afe ne fa afe ni wo mkonya 2 years ba wo sha ho keka no ne enima bi ekoso ewo creative art fo no wo matena ye ho na emwa emwa sa wo mokra de wo mayi wo mani ama wo mokra especially ye ba comedians na comedy fo na o se o kai say that time no omo ye show bi the me fi show ni di bi UK ena ye ma comedians ye de ebi koye ya aban na take full sponsorship ni ade ma omo kobo show no wa brochire ba ye ne se ne ma bebre wo ho e course at the time I feel say sanka the same thing and even more ena ye hu sesi a e wo current government in one ke betimi awa but according to ono no I say aban no you ha omo hwe to osre on the osre se bibi wo ho mo pese omo ye ma wo mo a omo nya ne ntem cause e kom wo krum
so okaka or admit the fact that aban we na I am a creative arts baby appointments I mean creative artists appointments baby na so on the ground no almost share them and na it was say accountability forum government le no minister of tourism and na ntini ye betiem e bia na e free ha no e betemo say bia no won ko akachi ho nko hunu ye me tie ne nsem na o kan ye ne ade o cite examples bi wa cho letter called Black Star Experience blah blah ne ade on T feedback ne ade ntini ye nhwe ne e be free accountability forum na ba no e bia na e de bi insisan bi e ba
so that's it from Lexi the comic and also na me de ko concern
last week we award
omoye program omoye comedy awards no anyway obi aka na ehia ni nti na no ano no ne kwan so ano no I think say I saw another gentleman on also so eka ebashi ministry ni say omuhu hwe ono no okuma say nyoma obi omso mkosi another theater omuhu hwe nti ne yesre say bibi omude egu akwam bia no omu hasting because ye hia enye na manyo sem so kwan ye hia into the let's do it all right until I joy that papa odi yen kon komo so na why ready with your tip
ya fan bo hona me pese ene no odi kru enya full time no interruption international odi kru back yes say never make customers feel like a burden me my customers feel say improbably say ebi ono ma say customer no aba ni nchen no ebia complain bi or the abanofo say obeya adeswa. So we should understand that they are never our problems, but they are our profits.
Wow.
Yeah.
Into the ni aka chat on the country me. Omunya ye
ya
how
pese
no ye
ye customers omunya ye how.
Omunya ye mfa so.
Omunya ye mfa so. Nkofo bi enyo mo so mfa so. Wan beto ade na say o ton yi ebi aton speaker I say wow you speaker na. Obe ndi.
O person ka spring rolls and then speaker dey oba akobo.
Beko akobo dem.
Na say obi a board da na de beko I say
enya hwe o ba
so be shi
nipa no beto a omunya ye burdens omunya ye profits omunya yadeswa omunya ye mfa so de
papa.
All right. Odi for ba ko pe da si papa ai enti ne ye be keka akoye nkomo mu odi kro ba ko pe
Yeah, straight.
Bibia straight on. And some na etwegu ye no wo bibi kan ye nko so so wo industry mu ahunu ma bebre.
Yeah, I say friends, omo ye mfa so.
Customers no mo ye mfa so.
Yeah, ampa mo ye mfa so cause say what fa kon. Fan say what on toast na what fa kon. Anya wa na obeto. Obi na be fru baby aba beto. And say customers ne bi wa bi so hard ni. But nim na mu no also onya abotre man cause ono nti
and now ho
into the moment obete to customer ne pe obeko be
yeah customer service from Elder Jerry enti na eno yemo akwa ababiom ai enti we are excited say wabahanne maye wabakwasem kakra because me dey menim we wabo guitar ya na na wafa guitar number sima ka che odi wanu bebo guitar e wo fie ha wo ho ve kire o. Oh, enti kabibi kakra kire ye wo journey mu in the industry.
In the industry, okay. Efrem Odikro. Mr. Kete ana Apostle Joseph. Ebe farming. Ebe tena ne nche e wo taifa.
Akom ni nchiri wu. Wi ameka na entia.
Eja obe farming no. Enya me nkwa no obe farming. It was a band. And your doors no few or titi obia enti oye musical na open school na wakoye or our department ono it means na me electronics and others also here carving ebi so enti anya say bia oye music nkwa
wow
and also show school ono hwe na school fees bibia
wow
enti no ono be farming into omwa ye on China me am share stage na me kona ana me ankasa me dey adwen bi tu me trim say so far na guitar no me ho bo me pese me ye church player
okay nkwa sababo asori dem nkwa
sana me dey tu me trim pese me ye say ye bo guitarist for chromo ha Samantha so 3 etosu mienu ana first
eni abem
and I did 2 metrimu sa
okay
and I me before no na other guys in there no omutumi pie kwa about but na me a quiet person
okay
me I said obi hwe now oye gidigidi o say bro ho asiboko no be your person do but now I was having that in mind say I want to be named and I want to be mentioned
okay
and be a mention at the person me be e de share papa no di anyunyam
okay
until one day me ohana me ma me ba ko be friend sister Adjoa Francisca ono so na one engineer be a free pa friend Akak
okay
and obeka kire sister Adjoa say oh no so one bandex na ye adwuma pa o ka kire sister Adjoa say no guitarist back we no nim no me nua ba ko ya no ye friend set and o ka kire sister Adjoa say oh me pe obi ama na we bo enyu bi ma me ewo afina Isaac Showboy
okay
afina we wie ne mentor ordinary number out bandex asum and I start to recommend me man no we dey say me nim no akak say we dey say me nim no ba ku bi no nim set no because na me tampie ba na me hyedem boko ba na me boa me ho for the war enti na start to say oh we so good o ba ku no ni honom try no dey ko try say on pen na fama dey brem and I card Jimmy number and I dey chin me ko shia no tantra kwa no so o kwa tabura alagia
okay
yeah my kiti na me ba na guitar no so same as I say me meaning say this is what I want to be in life. And today, you know, cry, I make sure cry. Me, I play cry guitar, but you from cry, I'm the bass. I can't actually have no guitar and a co inside. It's your co inside, not band next to.
Okay.
Now, I'm not in a bar.
Where you here, babe?
Hey, I chose
2000 something, early 2000s. Oh,
yeah. Now, band next. Now, I'm not in a bar. Me ko be bia me de vim na ko me such person which me aka me be ha me o campaign me prove wrong so na me life starting until no o ye ma de na offense o ye ma na ya me ya o na how because I don't have time for those things until bad this car say na kwa be na ba no say start doing I ma me o sister na I be back here no say okay I dey try na share na me dey plug guitar na me between me guitar I bandex akode chi for quite nice no I say so ana and me so me type bia me fast learner o boy nyum na me hu dey up actually
okay
into starting nyum na I me nya me don na me say okay pa share record why
wow it is a one is it crap
no
my yentie nyom na wo ka ho asem no
so dum me me nyami do aw me nyami dum ya boy ya ba Sompa aw me nyami dum me nyami do na je kwa Yesu Kristo dum me
Odipo into now yes answer journey way room.
Yeah, the first toucher. Me say, me aduna me nya studio session.
Wow.
Man. Enti me body no na bandex say.
E gigile. There's a na shocking no.
And on ya ka ko sheto. Sakwa me your body no.
Don't mind the body.
Oh no. I feel the bandex or register me.
Wow.
See on be eduma throughout. Me artist bia guitars bia. Or shift ko moving na guitars na me na me bo.
Wow.
Am ponyon sing. Omo na me na me bo.
Wow.
And through that no na feel the amafo challenge small boy bia ba. If no di cross small boy bia owa madam owa na grace ashi su frame me.
Okay.
I say one abano na.
No atonka.
Atimeka na so. Mama, you go suka crack afa na ye sha ase.
Wow.
Why no so na crack na record no. Die dri die. This over mo.
Aha. Enunye. Most of the time na ya na omo ye behind the scenes ye nten hu omo enti se wa meka anase mankofa inlay card na read say we na ye we ya me hu wow I see
enti no we ye ga fa de gesa su jina wasa eh na ho kete sa de otu ye
e just ho kete na na ho mo
because na me ba no be ma me de ba no
wow
enti no before you so wow I feel the honor so edre eche no nyum na me na me ye
wow
enti o mo na me ko shia o hima mercy and ono so me ne ye adwuma maybe by na me won twetwe de o and so me na me
I see
me try video
me sure oh try video be oh me sure say DJ Rich with my very share na uni waka bibi enkomo ya ye dia uka say ahyase no u training wo ho
yeah
yema on cheche any ade unya aboafo but wo so de bibi to team se me pese me ye bibi me pese me bibi si mani so enti no wo bre wo ho asetena ho sua ye na mrepa mu no sisa adwa yi wu pie ye or refer wo enti I just want this to go into the minds of up and coming for especially sometimes e bi pentem enti kiki ni esi abonten ho be hu ni ye consequence infini aka but would practice it we shall practice it obi bu abonfie kra wo mfa ho say o body ya waka and say ye nkan kitinkiti bio because it's here sheshe fine ebusi akọ Facebook be hu odikro ba akọ Sompa 106.5 FM Accra obe hu nkitinkiti no ka say waye ke say waye ke say wa sheshe because bibia aye fine me boa
enokre
oh nice enti we susu ni ohima message Wama a movie sister adwa ote wo nchen Wow, this is amazing. Wow. Inti twaso na ne wa him biom.
Inti we di mwana. Just at least dem mitimi mbodi.
Baby.
Ha ye recordo Okrekuman T studio e wo Abena.
Okay.
Di mwa
sleep music those times sleep
di mwana meshia Nicolas Mania champion.
Zafna Pania una boy. Una obo guitar ni share Zafna Pania mu. Wow.
All it Akoboa.
Yeah. Amazing.
And the woman Meshia Almighty, that the Lumba.
Oh.
It's only the band Nankasna Mena me and guitarist and Kasa on the band.
I see.
And I'm the band leader to be near Panemia.
I see.
Would you just say at it in the
big crown kai
guru.
Okay.
Keke Fosu. One name number one all day.
I see. Una bo guitar no asanyum no so.
The album na.
Okay.
Me na me bo Keke. And Sydney. Just say. Omodos Ankasa.
Wow.
Me have to list ya na book na yema.
Mami misa enti when intellectual property.
Yeah.
Enti u benefit from omo proceeds omo nyana na. Se me Ghana nhye etie no.
Okay. Me before ni there. Na me idea ni say I wanted to be known.
Okay.
Right. And to follow up with ABA say artists we na born you no ko discount no na say so.
Yeah, split sheets on family share so be.
No.
Near there no.
Me most of my life me physical.
Yeah fama on no.
Boy na magic. Because to the extent say our system near style.
Yeah.
So if you depend on say bia obi wa eba ne sa artist bi eba ne sa on tua o ka offense or the work records mu.
So okay.
It say enyom no hit ya no etua o ka.
Ubenya ho fa so.
But aha no sebe edum ye greedy. Artist for no. So artist no enyom nya hit ya. Afa na obeka say say o shoe bi o so okoto. Say o so okoto asase bi o. So come on in and
me.
Oh, and to the band is who now contribute here on Kyle. So on Kyle to the extent say, and can you mamma bo as assassin and can be bra hitting, and I can mind you almost shameful. And Obiaka say, oh, menya show into your board guitar and Befana. I don't think Sanka Sankran committee and Kaunami. Because a young does when this Obiaka so be you see me, 7 I your original guitar now. Like I'll make money from it.
Mami mi so diko. Enti then na opese policy makers eye facade no. Because you see, aya tie some mistake no ye perfume adum to for cry ye sha see a inti contract e be sign no ye hwebo ye hweme no ani say ye pese ye famous inti no producer bi ba na catch your ma upfront money say ye the ma home 50,000, 100,000, 150, say 1 million. When you anje, uka say why is Kenya anesa. Into one winning who saw Chine no, Sanyum no could blow up ne kakraka, pa ne worth millions and millions of cedis for dollars. Yeah. Na ebeko producer neho. yenhwem into no as an industry person then I feel say see the tutu akwemu ebe boa mo boy instruments no behind the scenes for no.
Okay, behind the scene a fan page na artist ni so. Because artist ni bi o wa oko radio and also oko interview on board obeka so no ananyom because he or she thinks say any property you have been paid into no he doesn't need your so what I say into no me who say nyom e bebre. So I also advise myself say then if I take the money I also invest. It is all artists now who me now that will come me so na me them come. Because my taking more expense.
Or Ginny royalties are pay.
Oh, need na be na artist ne so. So what I say, obi wa ofin say fancy bia my boy guitar instead of some 1,000 no. One be 200. So what I say. One me 200 no. Or why do you say no? Say you no hit here, obe kai me. But you no hit here on kai.
The rare few
cra. Obi kra hu kra, person obe so na obi kra na bag man because me won't go for ebrea. Me do my to bench.
Oh.
So what I say. And I me type be on me respect nipa. To the sense o ma me respect her. Na me ma respect. And now so all respect me talent also respect your talent. Your artists be bro they don't even have voice. But nyankopo yo ma do no mo hit here. They think say omo but it's a big mistake. Into who kwa.
Eh what say dibi ma me dibi wo hu sa.
Yeah. Because I know kwa na ye adwuma no. Or say engineer or yeah or so man dibi. Omo contributing na or so man dibi.
Enti ba me say put a question for say and they say minister for tourism.
Yeah.
Or yeah a accountability series no. No okay can your ma why any ade in case when your opportunity akojina na nim no say e dey no onyema instrumentalist na muntumi nya permanent e bi e de returns be brema then abeka share no.
Me de meka say ono anadaroma. Se nyame adom na say bia something for instrumentalists like all the musicians
in general.
Okay, we need proper arrangement. That's what I say. I was say edwuma bia e be bia no eson fa so no o say na ye den
munye bi
yenye bi.
Okay, Matiase ye nko unwuma ne so enti na obbo ne awaye ne ade
bona me ye na anche bia na me say nya wuta.
Okay.
Enti sa omonyo ye bro dada ye ntwen bro nya. Padam.
Oh, I see.
And also
enti sa no nyumani ohun.
Yeah.
I see. Enti aya inspiration ne ba ne say what song na fe aba.
I think say do ya papa ne training me sa na me body na kwakwa. Won. Menya tenyom no men ka se bobowa na mentie sa no yes how have because the first attempt never ba no and also me produce it me bia ma be dwene ho ahwe say
okay yeah na amazing
into boy ya na me call and I find say God's blessing.
Oh
ni album ni na
ne we hin
nyame guama no the or you invite
heavy price. Yeah, heavy price also no.
Yeah. Basing na works na.
Okay. I see.
Before we about na.
Yeah.
Sa anyum na dey about.
Yeah. Wa boy juma. Enti
yes true.
Yeah. Enti no. Wo craft na kosi saying what is your current state?
Me ginem pa. Me ginem pintin to the extent say. You see amakoya me say me pese me show off but person made that from Boko because of the industry now. And I'm calling some of our frame. So, because Obi wa any kind of yard, we saw any kind of yard. And I see I know one careful, you might think be not airport as well every year.
Sir?
Yeah,
you have told her.
Baby.
Wow. Obi tries to be poison.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Maybe me driver me say car be diggy. I want to Korea police station. On say you want be brave or who personality na kasa na also to me as aspirate say this is how the game is going. Openyi bi crowd to me from esuma say be you from because only need adwuma ba ko but wa be gidi
Wow.
Obi so to me do ko aduro so.
So we na emra from no nkosoro.
But me ni sa mind me ejuma na me ye no me fa ne say obia ye pillar e wo ne family mu. O say Yakubo fa no so e feed in the family. Because me ameti sisi ase ameti ada so obi frame say be ejuma. Me ba obi so frame me nkwa me timi nya ni na. O say obi so koye no so nya kakra no so dey hwe ne busua. So me I'm not in for competition.
Okay.
I'm working.
Nti wo training kofo.
Me training kofo we.
Okay.
Kumi guitar say no ya makola.
Oh, wow.
Taxi na no twini say na ya me taxi.
Yeah. Are you serious?
You can call him.
I'm shocked because my name Kumi Guitar.
Kumi Guitar, me them na no da braka.
Wow.
Yeah.
I see.
Into Kumi say ne nyum ni na me na bo ni guitar between na ne ya kan. Me na nama na me encourage no.
Okay.
Aya your live band there your boy Shares Africa. E was East Legon.
Okay. Yeah.
Me ne nam na mama guitar ba ko na me kire no chale Kumi ebe ye yi.
Wow.
Sa anti o mu sa na obenya chance e was alef.
Yeah.
Yeah, bra me wie me djuma. Ti connect to aso.
I see.
So,
why are they?
Yes, me to me.
Baby.
Yeah.
So we kaho. Oh, wa boy djuma. I was say ma honest. Into when your award be da.
Yeah, be da o.
I am ya what na omo nhwe musicians ni side ohun. E anyomtofo na nko na omo show.
Yes, I was na me say obetua. That is what I know.
Ne wa he na utia.
Award me last obi friend me. Penny be friend me say you per say more award. But say when I'm see on pacho. Say adna me ya no so pede a, ma me award no mpe so dia. Me ne make business.
Na ne amu vote ni so e odwe ho say.
But you know, I'm not getting it well. You say who vote answer ni more award no. Still nah, I'm not getting it well.
Say me o shisha award no so penny sikenti no wo ye wa me ni.
One say at least eduma na what eduma na music. Your opinion or that is music that. And it's how what's gas then.
Gamer.
They are the leaders for music. This say me in the industry so nim say na me odi crew. Nim say boy you are eduma. Intin me man award I let you know say me sa a taxi and I say me sa Mexican san mama me award. For me personality in there and me body name fa.
And small body name fa.
Debbie
small body na I guess na.
As we said obi ati ase. So ati ase. Obi a it already crep say am award na me dem gidi. No. I'll never do that. Me person ade na natural. Something like Abena Ruthy. If you are there, why you are doing teaching?
Say me farmer. Matias.
Yes, I mean, betua. Can I say what time? No.
Matias.
What time?
Odiko, NCCC I know band because minimum Odiko band. O band. Mo bo wo TV so mehu ba ko bi da.
Say abrabo ne bo ko enim na no ne ebie.
Okay.
So I just say. It me no bo ntino. E bia fan say wo leader no. For some we artists, when I hear a band, when you experience that, you'll be sucking more people in your band, which is not true. And I'm a face be brave.
Okay.
And the end we say, "Wow, come up and when they are seeing any partner." And I'm saying, "No, then I'll try to create a job for me and those people who will come."
Wow.
Because me no, me a type be a we be di ko concert me a. Any train ade chain no ababa na nipa net o. The
na mo busa no. Sa pepe.
Oh, and I open phone people don't check those things.
Yeah.
You can't no sakyo. You can't no sakyo. No obi suju. Intino and especially so yeah artist now or band. Na bibie ni woni band leader no and communicate. Now ni other players ni koye ba ko a obe say eduma.
Yeah.
Because everybody will have access to you. They will tell you everything. It is a own experience. This is what you face. People say they be artists, but they be an instrumentalist. Different. And that also kills spirit.
Okay.
Because the more and more resibum, now our own neighbor. You'll be doing arrangement. You'll be doing those things. And it's about who free. Now we be shema. One say more bar. Both be atu.
Atu sini.
Nam say sadia. Bianca make critique the band. Number 2 Odikro International Band.
Wow.
So what I say. Into Odikro no message positive and negative say. Odikro no anemia. You was mental is we maso odin. Into me nkofa edi bi hu bia na ebema kofo ebreja aba na edin na ira.
Okay.
Say me here from Odikro International Band. I'm still selling the band.
Okay.
Into who jai cry, who now waste your time. And the vision about the band is big.
Okay.
So
I see.
Into I'm still selling.
Okay.
Until apart from band, no, I'm saying make creative studio.
Wow.
Odikro International Studio.
I see. More rehearsal one now.
Yeah, live recording.
Okay.
Yes, I recorded the guitar. Yes, I rehearse as well.
Oh, I see. Internet artist bet me amba ho.
Artist bet me amba rehearsals.
Wow.
I be recording live.
Hey, we a visionary thinker. We're moving from sitting under Apostle Kudusafina Nasi to say all Bowo Studios near there to a band. See why a rehearsal studio.
Yeah.
That's amazing. I will say you see feel why are they?
They tell me here rehearsal grounds sometimes. Obeko baby so for rehearsals like Wobuku for a session. Instrumentalist will be late. So
no more time, no.
Not time, no call. And so enough space no find your rehearsals because time that so be go for so they want to come and rehearse. Until say be Wobuku 3 hours and I say 2 hours and still now more comfortable you want to Obe so twice because when say wow dear we can ready for an opportunity
to enumerate. Wow.
Obi ameka
we so no ma that artist about until no benye sika wo and also
I have to make money.
Yeah. And sisi a sika wunya wo guitar bonim na de we mu nyina na say we bibi fufuro ka ho.
No, everything I'm doing now is from the guitar by the grace of God.
Wow.
Me and I miss me pay savings.
Okay. Bohobium.
Me pay savings.
Uncha we no nkwa.
Me first I will be speaking as Odikro there scabi roman be your beji. Yes, I like it. Mama want see the cry imagine. Mama 2 cities imagine. Because I learned same. Fancy me wo
be sa dey na just 15 that so that ho.
The more you are receiving, the more we see carry down. Now side people come.
Wow.
So like obi no a we are small pesca. Obi a pesca. But I junior coach also say skabia iska.
Wow.
Maybe to me coin sa ba me kra me maswa na me bre. So I just say oba ko say san obenya no papers iska.
Yeah.
To accounts.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Oh, what a great mindset. And I'm happy say they were starting on Monday because I mean maybe I will be to honor on who bibia or person this week. I believe say we see bibia if you come we more obey to me and they are actually to dream and they are actually to dream and
so you should know what is good for you. And mostly me I don't depend on anybody. So like I said you or how be why brother ma nipa betimi support you and your minor ones be obi o ha 100 Ghana no afro Odikro send me 100 200 those money or also to me nya so also to me nya to the sense say you can work you can make it but because all they are hand tiny nyama kitikiti ya chichiro mu
say na oka 2 cities ase me be obeka say me class na me 2 cities na all dey ba be ye adwuma wo me ho me nye no wajae
and so sadi pa no ono abetwa no asa ba be sika no onim say wo 2 cities no na wabo no ana o dey size kana ma
amano amazing e betia no a bank Odikro
I also have it in mind and then no say da nyakopo ase say vision na the fire no I am Apostle Josephus me making it and then me anga so meet me am fee.
Okay, wow. 7
bedrooms.
Wow, small body, big brain. I tell you today.
Small body, big accounts.
So,
wow.
Me fee. That's how if you buy for so I'm the renting for tenant.
Wow.
Like I'm doing
wait to number 4 for mommy. Because say na me di kai no I mean obi wo ho a ejuma bi wo ho be ka say we dey mfata me enti me nye we dey say nina enso discover breno there was some level of thinking be my feel say na dey be anti advocate soft life omu feel say we dey en semen fatamenti onye but ye bu baby say wo so mo ho a wonya akoa enti no se wo ye na se de mfa so be ba ebe brew na en se wo ye na se de mfa so be ba ebe brew na en se wo we de en se wadwene se we de wo se wo koso na wo ye enti tufu kakaba me na ye be ko enche
futu am man young ones ni say ska bia iska so what you say and ade me de music ni say eduma be na fan say okobo birthday party ye be mo aduane di ni ase etua oka enti ni dem pa na sinse dan obi a ono ko emesi an so ko tu form na blocks o bono na say ni say enti wo de no it's a grace from God because any eduma
say Mason ono so de na any talent nti ono so ko ne de na blog no bono kro obenya ni sika afiri ho nti ono so ne de na ye nti wo can for music for
okay music like advantage oma like Emma say oma we need eduma no
okay
and that talent so talent no your de okosua na your de nyakopon de ache no
okay
and aden so nya hu wi a nipa na be frɛ wo nipa na be hu de wo ye no afrɛ say chale be ye adwuma we mami cause obi wo no ade ne ye pa but obi afrɛ no what is the reason ahomaso and as ni sika sem akwere mi kwakọ friend obi kan say nyumba ko be gi me 1,500
wow
obi gi me 1,500 and mami ko frɛ ase mesi na me ma no 500 obeji nti won say isi na adwuma ni na akọ ase mesi
na ye bebre won ho
won say oji scanning kitin
and comment just 20 seconds.
Mate.
I think the industry for no. The all can wo mu die. At a point me kwa mitimi e kasa ankomo no bi say oh ebi obi abefa o say be ye adwuma bi wa charge no o say de mitimi etue ni o say ebi a
menje
but a branding strategy a drew point bi a because nipa no e pese o create some brand be for ono a o feel say the other man no say eye expertise say eye ne voice say eye and a skill whatever or feel say eye worth the value of sikana or charge hana maba no enye sabe kokwa se bia na me be ya ma ho me ye jingles man crofo obi timi ba oh but on pe jingle we me content ni obi o ha wa draft we ni dada ne script dada into the ne say obe your voice obi so ba or the concept ni nam draft nkrata bia ni ho enti wa charge no o say de me wonie metimi akasa menye because me feel say adwuma na me be ya ma no the energy the me kan obetimi abo for so many years make obekom na bia 1,800 bi ne ye de ama na waje no nipa no be bo ade ne sa for 10 years
na mfa so de ama no
na obo na wo no nti say no oba yen space mu a what nkrofo aye ne say o me the contract to ho
okay
bia ma record ama ma charge you say after 3 years no me ti say wo bo
ni no point ama pick won ya wakan mu no ene ono so ne de ne say wo sha se a ene de sa strategies we no ebe boa wo said you ka say de kakra ba na je wudu ba bi na so wanya dini no na ana say you know wa hit will peak na and now be to me call it shots no
good.
Like you're saying
it's
na hyasefo no ahyasefo na ya mamu starting na mo build it say you brand name
say how does you use that strategy na
sisi ano
it depends
on special cases
wankasa no anya sisi ana nyem na me kasa o urura me territory a na say first ma me 20 Ghana also won say be urura no we
difference aba
and e wo abrofo strong onu say one seed no de ma wa onu say still na wa enti no sa no oba onu de me ye me nka hwe me bo wi a maka so ma send guitars na my engineer no here
okay
and na me send here enti no okwa ko bi sa engineer no say wasan me say that big maka say first can be count
also strategy no and is working for you
because it's here no yakupa daroma edin na ba so what I say enti say nipa no waju one city sa na en wa bo no na fie wo hwe ni studio or family na obe so we say to one city na say wo waju no function na so AI about still now what kolom
paperwork
so Enti o say one kasa no personality so hu say adwene o say ye adwuma. Said ye wo so ukoye adwuma ma obi a wo express nipa no. Mo ntua titisi ka no so otua current. So
Matias. O come on I me da ma say me time no man pa ho.
Fabi ka na afena
Abena for me be come on. Enti odiko ye hwehwe wa ye be hu wen wo number wo social media handles. Now I share your studio no so location.
Oko bebia, oko handles nim na odikro ba ko pe.
Nti Facebook, Instagram, TikTok.
Bibia odikro ba pe na nim na beba. O hwe me open me studio ho so a Taifa Burkina.
Okay.
Boga Junction. Nti sa junction e kra nche bia ma ba je sign no odikro junction.
Aish.
Obey so our pipeline.
Okay.
Body ho na afi masesa di no. Odikro junction.
Ne we suan papa o.
Yes, no say
spirit no.
O say ade o say o bi o say catch on say ade bia obetimi aye. Me sa spirit no
Yeah.
There's nothing like you can do. You can make it.
Wow.
If only so when you're lazy, betimi aye.
My question in trim. What you for fine. Enti eye ntawantawa na wo hwan afa ka kire me opa me answer
me de 7 me ba me wiase a papa watete me apostle ko Joseph enti ono ana menim as me papa other side ne there I don't have any idea about that.
What I know decision
what I know is apostle ko Joseph ti say na oni wa na ade bia be ya fa no ho bia no o se
wo okay Matias why explaining the kama odiko
mama na fa number na
ai me baby sana fa number ni tuja
okay my number is 0249 50 65 00 0249 50 65 00 and I feel so per band ne hu mo a Uta hwe onua concert party a obehu Odikro International Band. Every Saturday bia 6 p.m.
I see.
You tia ho bare.
And name my receipt. Odikro, why ensure? Inti koswa na bo adwuma pa in the industry. No, I mean me I think it was through obi da me so me di hu ye be ye adwuma wo ho, right?
Mickey.
Music
Junior,
music na ye enyum bi right and ye de ba wo ho e wa adabraka
it's true
yeah adabraka I remember ye baby kitwa bi
tare down
ane baby kitwa bi ti se ne oso wa ye studio kakraka wa Taifa mesra wo ye enyum tuni abomode afa number na friend sa number no biom na
0249 50 65 00
okay into so be pay say obebo guitar na so oba studio ha ni na number we
na
we handles no Odikro ba pay on all the online you know
ana me chia me players na me no me adwuma na Kofi dance so pa akosi Mickey ana fensen Kuju
okay
omo me no mo bob brass as band
okay all right
so they are my brothers and everything to me. Me don't want to see some omutie ma super.
Yes, that's papa. Auntie Adwa, who be mano?
Oh, I think I'll have to pay him a visit since say or say me film ho. Se bancha se ne Burkina Boga Jansi de nya kwan bia ti me ko bom mani so a.
In fact, ko hwesa some o kan na no kana ba ka kire.
Ko hwe mani so ade. Na eja me de opportunity so betimi a kire me boka. Kasa me nya too old.
No.
Enyum to the expiry date and instrument. Oh yeah.
From a guitar no bought for Froby.
Yeah, me sabo keyboard, me bought all the instruments.
Okay.
And very soon my album will come out.
Wow. It's a voice.
Yeah.
Amazing. Wow. For anobo guitar na yonko. O ka sam do ho becho.
Tauna da pada pada pa tauna pada 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 da tauna pada 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 da ta pada pada da pada ta pada 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 au pada pada yeah bro da yeah kanya
Oi wana bro ya
Yes.
Why
Yeah, straight.
Yeah, that's the papa passing here to suffer wabba. I Sompa delight any ajipa say. I mean, we'll make it time to come and then share your story with us. Now we're too for so. What act of saving? Ne cry na ye me feno. Me where I didn't pay so beat ya. M1 for the rest of the year. No, so I from beginning of the year cry near kwe kakrabi baby on for kakran to hona face kebi ha yesika.
Service in there, yeah.
Saka wasika je nyesika. Yempe. Near a sika moja nyoma bibi basabi anya but I say yeah juma wu to me enye sika e de akwa no ne de no ai enti
na me tell you papa so de na akwa no wa me your mama obi o
oh
na mama tonti papa say driver
I see wa shase no na wa ma anya we
mama tonti na say obra na mato aso na e pon 3
wow
yeah sorry there wa me shada ba
why are they that's it papa enti ye be sign wedding common repem nyame onhira no onhira ne awoye bia eso ai studio ho ne ye be wa besra o anti adwa be di kan Ebusia for ye ne odikro ba ko pedi nkomo na waye nhira megidi se wafa be bia film yenko record won I mean yenko ye studio session won ho na ye ni beje me firi ha em se ma ko check Ebusia mu yenda Lexta Company Limited as producers of Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush or say for hygienic healthy living always choose Yas toothpaste and toothbrush misro product baby ya wa market ubenye bi nti bomo dia na kojo de Accra number will be free 050-161-9588 050-161-9588 Kumasi number will be free 050-139-0338 Kumasi 050-139-0338 3 Butterfly School of Freyo or see and for ma emra ho be di 3 months to 5 years and pacho ha na obenya tete papa pa che say ebe ma kra na dance baby biara obeko wo school ma obetumi enya swimming lessons taekwondo and ballet na omo abiso e de ma parents a omo tumi di monitor ne akora na ye wo school ho abribia omo ye summer school omo started 3rd August omo we 31st August into Mr. Obomodia akoso omo hwe na abehun say you ampa abrochi abagana location no 8 Purple Street East Legon near Melcom nti wo mane wo Melcom ho na ifa ba wale shi ho no na Melcom na wo ho na no wo mane wo ho a ho no omo wo opening time near 6:30 a.m. normal upon 6:30 p.m. Pastor Fanambe na from 0556 094 071 0556 094 071 na omo website here www.3butterfliesghana.com 3 no 3 biensa ayatro 3butterfliesghana.com na obetumi email yomu wo 3butterfliesghana@gmail.com email the any day ya spell it 3 nankasa into 3butterfliesghana@gmail.com 3 Butterfly School say we learn play and grow ebusia was see a ton de odi kura ka kire sisi kebia iskonti e gini nyina nti pa so montwa ye ba
Special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese word na kese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hajia Special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de enti e fe ni local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes wo apro mekwa apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se eya bontine aduane edi enye ne bisa dabi haji esuro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyie ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo motena se no wo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo se momfra haji special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Food pesa ofra 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 and answer 059 479 7215 059 479 7215 na would them eh medo edrano pa wutimi to boase etwitwiwusi o ado na so ni se me yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwi Mami nyahumka sentina ye bokoi na me me all-time favorite Yas herbal toothpaste and then a brush aboa me ama sesei menum so a enwunu anasa de ehia me selfim me biem na wonhwa se mesi aye fita sesrecha homa na eti brightens Yas whitening toothpaste and then a brush and me di hwimese entina wo se afei na Yas total care gel toothpaste and then a brush ne de ebo wo se ho ban demu ni nyina emma wonum ye sham oh yes enu krotrodo Yas herba Yas whitening any Yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush abusuan chamfa se wo pedudu tu e won kan ha for Leicester Ghana Limited and was 050 161 9588 Leicester Ghana Limited and the Yas toothpaste mo ahodo and the brush abadwa so ababoy Mummies and daddies, do you know that education plays an important role in the development of your child? That is why you cannot settle for less. Introducing 3 Butterflies School. Say after me, 3 Butterflies School. 3 Butterflies School provide a safe, inclusive and stimulating environment where children learn through play. We foster a nurturing world where every child feels secure to play, bold to explore and confident to express their unique voice. 3 Butterfly School is waiting to welcome your 3-month-old baby to 5-year-old child for a wonderful experience as they learn through play. We offer British and GES curriculum and we have other extra curriculum activities like swimming lessons, taekwondo, ballet and all the activities you can think about. Parents have access to an app called EYLOG that you can use to monitor every activity of your child so that you can know your child's development. Remember, the opening time is 6:30 a.m. and the closing time is 6:30 p.m. Wow, this is amazing. 3 Butterfly School can be located at East Legon, 8 Popo Street. Connect with us on 055 609 4071. Our website is www.3butterfliesghana.com. Email 3butterfliesghana@gmail.com. 3 Butterflies School. We learn, play, and grow.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwambo.
Oyunyakupundi for Wastran
aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach you Sompa First Service. Our home a new TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro Yankupon Kasa Chenemba.
Set your alarm.
Share radins. Na erade beye.
Asampaetia Obanyansafuso omunuya wankana asam
Odifo no kan se mititi se bura anka mesu ama me mai mebisa wo na won so se ne oman ne kɔ no woni gye ho ana wonya ya anka nsakyerɛ bi mra minim se woto aba na nso nim faso a ɛwɔ wabato ne so wonim wasɛdeɛ se oman ba adwuma no woyɛ ne bia esan se etuaban ho etuaduam ana wafa na se ɛwɔ awode obi a kyinkyin won sa agye wade na nso wo kwan a won fa so aban hu makuo ankronkra
Safi that funny. I didn't hear who I'm fa. Enti odi ko ba ko be ni nyuma na bi ni. Wow, ye ma na iko. Reverend ye ma wakaba.
Yenia.
Boko.
Good afternoon, AT4. Bibia Boko.
Now weekend
weekend was tiring. Me free has Saturday night and Thursday and the 7 way opening way be wo Chopoli. Also I had to just go quickly from there. But tiring. It was tiring.
Now why you man e call saying?
Oh, we ko yi. And kwala na call camp meeting.
I am grabbing.
Royal House
when you because when you started to come on there was here
Royal House and
I woman
camp meeting
okay there are there oh where you yo enti yanko must tell to and then omrene ya fa bebre but Uncle Freddy ni ho enti minimum say eja ebe one side obebucha enti ye chi Uncle Fred bia obia erade nka ho uncle meaning say odi for Bethlehem at a point. But in common come out teach you me first story I made start here Bishop Bia or say we are say on 27th August. Just say busumi a womu ya 27th and we are say na near any kan woman asemi say or say nisum for no muntun tom ne man say mo yati bebre o muntun tom ne o muton mo fesika ne mere no ono no ho ne dem say nti no betumi keep o mfa to na account mo na account ni dey say that ne argument ne say sun ne be back very close to the earth enti we ase be share ma obia be share ma in emo be shi nipa be shi ne ade 27th 2 weeks away isn't it enti that I'm bringing it up because I mean year on year in year out ye beti wa ha ne ate ne say sa but aya enkofu ye gullible omunya nkofo soso mo mu di asem na chi enti din na yenkan ma manfo nti a sensem say bana ya gidi no why also free them minim so be bubu mama me nti
em say some years back right mrebia na ewiase mu especially Ghana yet say bobiba 2000 a born in Medri na Jesus can be say or quack of prepare baby amayana obeba soon na soon now kind there wasn't any timeline so soon no cry 2000 years aso and near osofo no e kano it's not biblical and yes sa na nyankopon ka say we ase be say afa inti that is the first point nyame nka say odija be hie and na mami mbisa asem you or say obi amfa sika no onfa nkogu ne bank account mu abna mami mbisa question bi ewiase ba be shi 27th no ehemfa no be kwa koyi sa sika no and I say oyi sa sika no so a omo obekwa akoto bibia wo mo hobi omo shop ahye inti sika no ode bekwa akoto ade wo he inti some of these things no e was say nipa to me dwene na ohun say ade a o ka no ensisi so na esa ne say ensisi so ni inti na nya say ye de asem because sansem we yate am ye hunu nkrofo a religion inti omo ama omo echi omo di omo chi ni na akra ahye drebe it has happened so many times across the world
e bi kura kori
nwura any ade when yina enya biblical I was say first of all what is ansem we a wodi unya susudie bi e de fa ho say edan na bible so e ka fa ho say na be ya obetumi ama judgment na koyie nti make us obi understand ne a ye ni abema na e ka no e betumi so aba say na dwene mu aka no kakra mental health issue no e wo ho pa and hallucinations so wo ho pa nkrofo to me enya some imaginations be omo beka say ye dream ye abrofo no won say they have a lot of things going on in their mind omo to me nkrofo share enti say bibi memu a ye wan damfo ene ade ho no obitumi kɔ adwuma 1 week ra no hu na da oni adamfo enti na Ghana fo kra kɔ a omo nya challenge omo de na omo de afa so de ye part time because loneliness eku and insecurity so eku. That is the nature of that place.
Okay.
Into no our problem. They have to look at him well. And last week so many say obi so can say nkramofo whatever it is Christoni ebedri bria yebo Mohammedi ebetwa ye ti ni ade e wo Ghana ha. I'm talking about Ghana ha. Now I want that person to really understand say near all kano Muhammad enkasa near all kano omo chief imam very great man, very good man on kasa and on fuafuasa in semfu na all kanoso. Into no, he should be corrected. He should be called to order.
Odi.
Reverend, I mean, shall assembly say abano. Emma. Nkrofo momba science school we yom fi school kotna bush na bush no so m kotna no anya se ya nu aduane bi esi o
mo kori nwura
mo kori nwura ne arebeda ni nsampi. So the question is this, maybe some me say as normal human being obi aka asema kire o say ye nkotna nwrem ene de anka nya hwe because ene na yo hunters amutimi tren yo nkofo mo wo nwrem mo ye adwuma anka nya hwe. The tosumienu say yakotena ho no eduane ni wo yakotena nti afi yenye te say mponchi sebi ni anwi nwura you are out of alignment, out of order, out of place.
The what been crank can say
sa asema ye ka kire wo no enkoyie na nipa bebre o nipa bebre akogu nwremu na ekomo de omo no mo winra ne omo mba nkola no kra hu nyansa hu se ya papa na ye maame bebi ode ya betene enkoyie na mo force nkola no mo winra enti se eno na ya na eduru bebi a I don't know whether lack of knowledge or ignorance of religion. Any fancy Christosum ni osum biara ye kan sem bebre ni e de akekere ye ho ebi kurapo because of osum nti we won tem because of osum depend moja tinu mi hu go form sa mo kan se da e ma nipa no free mu kotwe moja ma no se da nti niam bi wo ho no ma na esese nipa eni ba ne ho so age a edri sa age where edri nimdi adosun enibie adosun enti enema bi mpo ne de be dada wadwe it shouldn't be certain things me scan wo me hodia atemuda beba ne mo ebedu hodia atemuda mba na
say ebe electronic so se fan ko bank ebe electronic eja ne nshi no there is electronic cash enti eja ne nshi no
enti asase be na ni se nkutonu oni asem oni masem nyame asem ena izi international Abena Ruthy patriotic adiewe mami reverend wa se obi ka se emre bi mi ko jina public place bi eno sa na abasa se wi ase beba na wi nipa ni ma date ko jina public place bi na me evening broadcast and I'm saying I am saying this on authority and by virtue of God's word. No human being born with flesh able to define that and I declare that date say yesu ba then donna yesu ebeba donna wiye ne bedru no nipa biara enim ento bi kasa onima straight no eso say nipa yi
me kai say last year or something getting to Christmas so obi susu declare say in fact me man te that day bo nam te
that day no
that day no rabbit here and I'm say really
you better sa
ai sa that just mommy
oh whisper me huni na
Esre bono ade no sinsuo ene ye de be say but there was another one I buy so my date and na e bono ade na ja me pia kan de na be ye no o do you raise a issue be on sa emoja ye engineer dey I mean sisi how am refining no
yeah they get it me tell am say okay so
enti no me question and say I mean ye wa na religions bebre omo yenye we but as time evolve no na omo sachire mu nipa edi animu no ehunu se we wose yesachire mu nti na eho no nyankropon no ne omo kasa di kan no ene wasesa na adwene ana se nipa na reverend
Abena nti sao eya na eye nimdie no
okay
aha nimdie no na ema ne kobasa won say enkrofo bi be di kane e was some of the way can say religious groups in the mu
okay
na if individuals no be di kind of school call enquiry or research ni ade enquiry ni ade na there are certain scriptures are omotiase in a particular way and omo ba mu so omo ba be sua no so omo sua free omo ho akoye to say ye was Sunday school kwala bremu na ye ka kire wo say Cain ne we ne wusie no eko say round and Abel there call straight. It is not biblical like that. You understand? Inti obi actually obi sa no sa na akwala ne di nyin wahu na odi nyin sa no na old people no wu ye no ono so sa na ye kire no was Sunday school a kai sa no ono so de be kire ne a oto aso me kai embre bi atwem one of the groups no na omupenyin ne se ye nhye coat ye nhye foreign dresses e bone ene ade and onya opportunity call America na ye winter
now what do no was
at the end of the day or share your buy your best son adwene esanso reorientate ni biasem no ne ye ka no it most of the times no ye say nipen nim na osuane in a particular way and a man basa Abna, let me put this one across Sesia wahi ya wo Saudi Arabia na said this Islamic country bi na ya wo me wo hwa enka menya sofu because that is the geographical location na mikopie ya dom bi keke ena emma ye tumi ehunu ne a ye pese ye hunu no and that is the reason why sometimes when I hear people condemning Islamic religion or others no I find it difficult to understand why they should be condemned instead of also teaching them what you have. Are you getting it? And teaching it in love. Senya beya at the end of the day no opeso sakra no ba Christo nchen that is our desire. It's in the nkose ye ko attack almost say when you say mu ye say and no den tokwa na deba. It's at the end of the day no see ye den nyansa to ho na wo kasa nia wo nim wo de anim no kire. Okay. Obi be fa no mfa. Yenso ni enim no ye be kire ni yie. Nti ni America ko sisu ni say ebi no man kire ni yie. Okay. Enu nti na akoba say enkrofo eye ni awon ye no. Wahom. Ena nipa wo hoi wo mo pese o mo hu tangible things. Ewi ase be say e be si amba na ye osi fesika bra na ensi. Ode beko. Let me give you a perfect example. Mami bi ba me ho oye penyini pa wo custom fu opa me ho no. Ana menene bompa ye na me ka chense nyankopon beye ye wi ya oba be kono obi sam se asa
obesa oba ne bibi
obi sam se asa opese me san mani bibi ka ho ana me se asa nyame beye ana oye obi ne ba ne yi ne bagim se enye oil blue a na ye wei na am say wow. It's no bizarre, because you see, human beings want to see tangible things. And almost feel say, nyasa adi na na chese hwe so. And run Saturday no mene electrician bi na oba we na me so me ye we na me man left. Or one of Frobi. Or friend na pen or say, Aji Kosia, ni din no guy ni nickname ni. And na me bi say now kind of say o san ye free guy no na business adentina o friend sa o si ni pa kon say o nkofo ntan ginia me ndi bebre chi se kosia ye kase ye kita kosia na ye di bodua de a obesuro ye kase ye kisa I'm telling you it's some of these things we have to just be careful and look at it well because ya nhwe ni here and Crawford be say because of leadership. Yeah, you di kind no. Sometimes yeah na ye man Crawford ye radodo. And Crawford ye radodo. Sometimes who hwe TV so na say wo hwe preaching be a koso and in same be a koso, you ask yourself questions as to na nipa kono a dem background na owo even this adiana or yenumu. Only background be a womb, and one is of far scripture na pe na just a sanet here. Only said there are deeper things, Hebrew, Greek, and all those things. No better as your words no crana who use no crano. And also to me, bisa on say, a day in cran nature. A day nature. Now at the end of the day, no way to me, I
Reverend, what can say baby? Enti nia me fapa ne say yenya nimdie no.
Exactly.
Nimdie no Reverend ye benya ne wehe because omo in quotes. Ena kire yenya che say ye somo a ne say. Nti nimdie yen hwehwe wehe yen kan bibia na yenya dien.
Good. One will say in the first place, me kasa say o Kristo ni. Wo kwa sorry. Now wo sofo kebibia. Act like the children of Berea. Uko fear near what share will no saying koshe mubium.
Okay.
Na saying sia ne bium.
Okay.
But I mean bisa asemu. Se sia a Christopher last week because wedding be one of the churches. Now wedding na meti hono. Mishe say ya near me who ane say girls see any boy see omu ye say. I was sorry them.
So mu phone.
TikTok. Facebook. Text messages, and I keep asking myself, "Inti sa product I di pia bonti, a day no de beba Ghana. When tie nyame asem no, and unti na oko parliament a, ye we Christopher wo honso kronobo e koso wo Ghana. Oko in various sectors a, omo mu di kan no ebinom ye Christopher nso omo tumi di zero ka ho. Me who ni ayachi na obekasa onye Kristo nida. Omo nyina wo hobio. Nanso contracts no omo ye omo gi a chi se percentage abeka ho. You are getting what I am talking about. Na ye young Kristo for na you and other religions omo ye na. Omo nyina ase Nyankopon wo ho. Omo nyina agisa nyame di bidio. Enso omo ye. Ti yen sachra ya adwene. That is all we need. Ye adwene sakra.
Me pen point ne pa the fact that say usofo kra na aka bibia koshechironimu na kind because verse no sometimes I mean say their phones so
exactly
phones so tie to me hwe enya anyway some I promise you for some Mondays
exactly.
Be winti ma member phone lines na obi opeso be kan kobo ne ho no mra na ye be na kaketo 0260196064 0260196065 Mediosia yo intimpacho brana beka bedi nko ne kakra Reverend Eddie Aisen wa ha odi e wa ha 0260196064 0260196065 na yendi nko ne intin mema ya stress on sa point wa hello yemo akwaba
Sompa.
Aish. Impasha yogo. Thank you.
Kosuka papa. Kosuka kaka uko kazo so ni pande bibi. Eda masipani kutombe mai.
Ye dase wa mo udi mpacho body mame.
Ndi.
Yo, of David, ye dase papa. Ebusa 0260196064 0260196065. Ube to me aba bedi nkomo ebi. Sa and amakana I guess na yesi no ma promising to you send me deliver. Reverend
Yep.
Nia Uncle David Becca CCA phones has me. What can we do? Then I mean as for clear no more banning when people get into the because it's your Bible so phone so
yeah no one say the normal state in the sense how drew sorry them and I say baby I will soon be more kobiana. You first of all would have to concentrate and you know
so hello. Hey. Just one day, good afternoon. Akwaba.
Yenyawa.
Adum.
But the way most rare now there will be kind of two or two in or but about the reverend air can or the reverend in fact or right bar and say or say Christian. The Christian and couple after the Mayan here. Then they are obi dada you do. And I say, and Shepherd boys, and a couple and you be panel that day.
That's right. Me so made us just one day. But Yamin Shaw, me that say. Reverend now, Casa. Hello. Hello. Hi. Yamuakaba. Aish. Aquaba.
Yeah, on your bar.
Maybe
I'll run over and tell you your capacity.
Pastor say.
Maybe I'll run over.
Yo, Yamuakaba. Yo, Yamuakaba, papa.
Oh, that's yeah, Reverend King. Dana. It's about okay. Oh, but they were just a papa or dear Yamisu, and I think it's good. And it's just so long, and kind of prep and walking. Me about yourself. And I was here, if I have provisions to more here. So what's Gano? So to work or Bible. No, Bible, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
No, what tomorrow? Eh, no, what tomb? Mobile daddy.
I'm in your one of my man also. Imagine in that little mindset way. Over the Yamino, over the Yamino, and I know. I don't want that the plan open down for the subject. Over one was the son. The baby over here, you're 1 year, you're assuming so bad. I think that is a Baba Neochina, 1 month and Saya. Yanama, yes. And I'm a bit more in so instead of going about 1 month, and yet it's a day. But you are saying,
Matthias, Papa.
And to for my system, now, Papa, moving on the sombrero, almost soon you need your bracket. Your father was so not that you not or Papa. What was all your father and no more? One father proud, yes, Papa also turned Danny Fun. But 2 boy now by
Matthias, Papa, that's it.
That's me about. I'm no sure.
Yo, what?
Mate.
Hello.
My lady afternoon.
Oh, good afternoon, Ja. Aquaba. Boko evangelist.
Yo, that
was.
You never want to take it to some number for the why?
Yo, I'm not so share that journey. Into so share what journey, and I'm not so share that journey.
Yeah, yes, my and what can't watch any or my science or Baba, you do. This of your and now so much the banner, I never be an or my science, and you buy Manon so I can say, if you got a use to be pursue animal or now him or Mamma, or Baba, anyway, you know, do him. If you don't go said there, that's an issue. I think 1999 over the cry, you kept the issue. I think 1999 over the cry, you kept the
Is it a boy?
That's mine. Okay,
Ghana is a PM. I true. Okay.
There's the pastor demo. There's the pastor demo dance. So my
Mikai Papa. Mikai Papa. Mikai Papa.
I'm not being okay, Indian Muslim, Papayana, or the Ganahano, okay, Indian Muslim, Papayana. Oh, the Ganahano, the next to 40,000. Tell your kind. Now, Papa, more kind of bad says you because that's Mohammed in Chenichino, that's Mohammed in Chenichino, a Cataboni Papa, and he says,
yeah.
Cataboni Papa, and he says,
yeah.
Catabani, young condemned totally, I feel like I got you to fall, Wednesday. I feel like I got you to fall. Wednesday, my digital as a corner bottle. Next to Funko, to Funko or to Konokoto. Then come back to India. Let it to one year. Muslim, Christian, Papa,
So papa just say nyame somfo ma evangelist me da se papa me da se ye fa last caller. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Ye mo akwaba.
But from Jerry.
Uncle Jerry, yo akwaba.
Jerry.
Uncle Jerry akwaba yo. Aha.
Oh, Christian cancer. Oh, me nyadie. Okay, yes, I know. I say Christian cancer. Oh, from Liverpool. No me, I know. Oh, so much as oh, we are almost here. Oh, me, I just
no be a jedi. Mateo point na say. Uncle Derry, me da se papa. Reverend, yeah, wrap it up. So, near, I mean, your colleagues here be share great comments. Na or kase last colleague, Uncle Derry, or kase Christian Council. It was I take initiative. To that point here, raise it. Of course, say mark ni issue ni de Oniga na Canada, and na ono one waka. But usai example of obi o Ghana waka say. No, are you of the view say Christian Council was so mu eba out can be tia na say are they doing what they're supposed to do?
Abena meka say Christian Council nyomo beye.
Okay.
But one say any Christian Council kwa na to make us out.
Different.
Yeah, charismatic. Pentecostal and charismatic council. Inti say oba Ghana hana ye churches are Christian council as here. Pentecostal and charismatic council as here. And so exactly. Inti enye Christian council pene was say e kasa. Obia oye Christonia odi kan bia no was so ye o kasa bi.
Okay.
And now you Christoni kra when you suffer kra. Or say also ye den okasebi and our no wodwemu in terms of we media personnel nye na nye nti ya wase ye den woka bi se na be ya niama sa na enkoso Ghana ha
let me take here no as final word yes sir okay Reverend that's papa nti I mean yafa e was esua de say so for kasa yenko bie Bible ni ya yensua bibia enye na enye me emfie hu mfori mu ne enje ntum yamieni na ho na kakra me so bi di twato ne say aya na asofo na omudi omu si ho na yet study omu ye nyame no omu so omu hwe ne yie because eno na ya edada asori ma no mo wo bibi ka wo ho